Hi everyone and welcome to an unboxing show of Korean products brought to you by TradeKorea. And I'm here with two specialists who are gonna help us unbox and check out some of these home products, these interior design products that are gonna make our homes look a little bit nicer. I'm here with Bella and David. Thank you for joining.
Hi, I'm Bella.
I'm David.
Now, because of the coronavirus situation, we haven't been able to leave our homes as much. We're certainly spending less money outside, but we're starting to look inside our homes a little more, right?
Right.
Have you been sprucing up your homes a little bit, doing some online shopping?
Yeah, definitely. Because of the pandemic, we can't really hang out outside or drink outside. So we have a lot of home parties. I bring over my friends, and definitely that leads to, making my home look a little bit better.
Me as well, because my recent interest is I want to live by myself. So I am also searching on the internet, all over day to find some beautiful interior items, interior designs.
Well, that's fantastic. And today we're gonna show you 5 different items that you can use. Start thinking about how to improve your interior, your home a little bit more, and we'll tell you where to purchase more items just like these at the end of the video. So stay tuned and let's get started.
Okay, let's go.
All right, so what do we have for our first product?
Okay, so this is called the Cubics 2-cube set, and as you can see, it is very...
Oh, this is it?
Yeah, it's
Oh, I thought this was just our table.
No. I had a very hard time yesterday assembling this. It took me like about an hour, but it's actually very easy. It just took me a lot of time to figure it out.
Well, this looks great. I just don't believe that you made it.
Actually, I have proof here on video.
Let's see them build these cubes.
Yeah. Okay, so I opened the box like that. A lot of
things here.
A lot of things, yeah. I fast forwarded for you guys' convenience.
I cannot believe you all made this.
Like once you get through the installation, manual, it's very easy. Those are like the linking legs, the bridges.
What we're seeing here.
Right. Yeah.
Oh, it looks fun.
It's like building blocks. You just put the plates inside and there you go.
You can get really creative with it. You could actually make it not just a cube. You could make it multiple shapes in its own way.
Right, if you want to do that, yeah.
Get really creative.
Actually, it's really easy.
You have a mallet and then you put in the pegs like that. And that wasn't very hard either.
Elementary kids can do.
I mean, you did a great job, but a 5-year-old could do it too.
Yeah, that's like a rectangle over there. It's like a different size.
That one over here.
It comes in 3 different sizes like that. So, yeah, you can put different objects inside it.
I like the black one. I like the style.
Oh, you would choose the black one over the white one?
No, I would use them both. I would mix it up for sure.
And it's supposed to look like that if you have like a full set. You could put it in the background like that. And you could, put anything inside it.
I do like it. It seems sturdy. What else can you tell us about the product?
So first of all, the durability is amazing. It's very strong. It's made from ABS plastic. It is 100% recyclable, and also it doesn't contain any formaldehyde. It's a very harmful toxin.
You don't want that.
Yeah, you don't want that in your house. Yeah, and it's resistant to moist and odors and insects and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, perfect product to put in your house.
No getting mold on it or anything. I like it. I think this is a great addition. I think it would be nice to have in my house. Well, then let's just see how this works. Let's just find some stuff around us and make it homely.
Right.
Ooh. I think that's good. It's got to go over here.
I got the books here, and you can fit it.
Wait, can you hand me that? Can you hand me that other globe? The other marble.
Other globe? Oh yeah. This one.
See if we can. Oh, I guess they match, right?
Yeah.
I'm artsy. I'm very artsy.
Looks nice. I mean, I've never had anything like this in my house, so.
No, I feel like this is the next step up to be an adult, to be a
Right,
little more organized, but also a little classier. I like it. I think this is cool. And again, we've been talking about an addition to your house. We've got plenty of time now to work on the interior design of our house since we're not going out as much.
Yeah.
So here you go. This is a perfect addition to your house.
The Cubics Cube.
Let's go ahead and go to our next product.
The second product is Lumir B plug set.
All right, what we have here?
Yeah, we have some white color and black color. And as you can see, if you put this plug in, and if you put on some switch.
Let there be light.
I do like the design of these. They're very clean.
Yeah. So you can use this as a table lamp and also wall lamp and also some like lantern.
In my opinion, I think it looks very modern and also ambient. If you go somewhere like that has like a concrete look, the architecture and stuff, I think they would fit really well there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I really love the shape because usually the lamp There are most like same design.
Why don't we take a look at the video that
Yeah,
you
I
have for us?
unboxed and I also assembled it. So
All right, let's see how hard this assembly is. Doesn't look too difficult.
yeah,
it's
it's not really difficult.
light bulb, I guess.
So you can just simply assemble it, just roll, then plug in, and yeah, light comes out. Oh, so it's different.
I like the black one. It gives me like an outdoorsy vibes. It kind of reminds me of like
yeah.
what you would hang when you're camping.
Camping, yeah.
I think I would go for both of them. You gotta have one of each or two of each.
Now I'm looking at it, I think I prefer the black one.
That's right.
Yeah,
that's
It
right.
looks way sexier, you know.
This is classy. This is sexy.
Yeah, it has the city man vibe.
So I guess the light bulb is same, but as this one is black and this one is white, it just turns out differently.
Yeah, it has a contrast, and yeah, they both look sexy, honestly.
So they look nice, but sell it to us. Why should we get these products?
So this product is used with LED, and the lifespan is approximately 30,000 hours.
30,000?
Ooh, that's
Yeah.
long.
Wow, that's like you could just leave it on the whole time.
Yeah,
Yeah.
actually. And there is 3-step brightness control. So as you can see, when I switch on,
It gets brighter,
Yeah.
dimmer. Okay.
it has a 3-step, and as you can control.
Yeah, I can notice it. It's definitely noticeable.
So this product got main award in 2019 Idea Awards, so I highly recommend this product. Another cool thing is that we have 3 different options for changing the socket color. We have white, black, and rose gold.
Well, fantastic. Let's go ahead and go on to our next one then.
Okay.
Now, I like these. Bella, can you introduce these products to us?
Yeah, so this is called 해돋이 LED Hangul wooden stand table lamp. I think it's really beautiful product.
Yeah.
This is really unique.
Yeah.
Very Korean as well.
Yeah. So as you can see, there's the lead on the top.
Oh, it's very pretty design.
Yeah, it has some Pegboard traditional pattern.
Okay.
So it's a traditional pattern of Korea.
And you can see the LED lights inside.
Yeah.
I really like, it looks like they have the Hangul, the
Yeah.
Korean lettering on there.
Oh, I didn't notice that.
So the body part, we have some Hangul.
All right, well, let's go ahead and see your video then.
Sure.
Oh,
So I was really excited to unbox this product because I don't really know what it's in.
What comes fully
Oh.
Yeah.
built already.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's built already. So at that moment, I don't know what it is. I don't even know this was a lamp.
Oh, that's the plug over there. Okay.
Yeah. So you can just plug in.
Oh, is
cable?
this right here? Is this USB-C?
Yeah, so the small one, you can have this small USB-C cable. And also you can also control the brightness over some button over there.
Oh,
yeah.
on the front side?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what you're doing now?
So
Oh, she's tapping it like 3 times and the brightness is changing.
yes.
Oh,
So I really like the Hangul pattern.
Little details. Very traditional. Oh, actually, speaking of traditional, there's a new style over there. It's like
Yeah.
Van Gogh Starry
Yeah,
Night.
so you can choose whatever you want.
That looks traditional.
Yeah,
again.
that looks. I think it's a like awesome product for a present.
I think so too. Actually, this was the first present that I gave my mom.
Oh.
Hanji lamp. She's used it for 12 years now.
Really?
It was the first present I got her from Korea.
Wait, Alex, isn't your mom in America though?
Yeah, but that's why it's perfect because she has it like right at the front entrance. So every time someone comes in, she brags about, my son got this for me.
Oh, wow.
My
From
son is
Korea.
living in
Where is
Korea.
that?
Exactly. And so she loves having this there. I think especially anyone outside of Korea, it's just a nice, like a thoughtful gift, like a sentimental gift you can give to somebody.
Sure. So as I mentioned before, the brand name of the product is 해돋이. Do you know what is 해돋이?
I had no idea.
So it's the moment in Korea that people watch the sun rising moment. We call this 해돋이. So basically, in New Year's Eve, people celebrate with watching some 해돋이.
As the light just comes above the ocean, you know,
Yeah,
gives
yeah.
a little bit of that mood. Actually, we have a little bit of, on this picture too, we have a little bit of
Yeah, we can
maybe
see
the
the sun.
sunrise, it looks like.
Oh. So I think it's the like combination set of Korean traditional, all like patterns in there and some art is there and it has some like flowers. I think it's really a good product and present as well.
It's clearly a Korean item, and
Yeah,
if it's in
Korean-
the home,
Korean
people will
item.
know like this is Korean. Oh, this is our next product. This is great. What is it?
It's a magic.
This is really cool. It's a
Yeah.
neon sign.
Yeah, this is LED neon sign and it's customizable. So we ordered actually. So bringing soul into your hands, it's our customized catchphrase.
Notice you can touch it too, and it's not. I thought it would
it's
be
not
like
hot?
glass.
Yeah.
Oh.
So it's the material is silicone,
Silicone.
so it's really safe.
Soft.
Yeah, and soft as you can touch.
You can have it around kids too, because they're not going to break
Right.
it.
Yeah, it
Nothing
does
to
not
worry about.
have any risk of break, so it's totally safe. And also, it durates. The lifespan is 50,000 hours.
Oh.
So it's really cool, and you can order whatever you want with this customized words.
So how do you put it together? Do you have to make it yourself? Do they give you the letters?
Let's watch the unbox video.
So you ordered it and it came like this, right?
Yeah, some big box will came.
Oh, so
wow.
I assume you can send your logo or like your catchphrase or whatever to the company, and then they customize it for you and send it as a ready-made product, I think.
Yeah, and the only thing you can do is just like rip out some vinyls.
Yeah, peel out the tape.
Yeah,
I can see
yeah.
some tape
Oh, there we
here.
go.
Oh, okay.
And you can just plug in.
And that's it. And then you hang it up on your wall, and
Yeah,
you've got
That's
your own
it.
sign. There was like a comedian that did this a while back, right? Like not a bar.
Oh, yeah,
Like,
yeah.
like her own like bar at her house just by using a sign like this. I feel like it's definitely like it's like a young people vibe.
Yeah, it's
feeling it.
definitely modern and very clean and clear.
Yeah, and I really like the material. It's really soft and it does not have any risk of breakage, as I mentioned.
Well, this is definitely a great idea, especially considering traditional neon lights are so expensive, and they're definitely louder as well. This can
Yeah.
actually go into your home and just blend right in to the surroundings. Check it.
Yeah, there's no sound at all.
No sound at all.
Well, fantastic. Let's go ahead and move on to our final product then.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, David, this is our final product, and this is much bigger than our other products.
Yeah.
This is a pegboard.
Yeah, it's a metal pegboard and it's made out of iron, so you can attach magnetic stuff on it. It's really cool. And
Yeah.
actually, it was very easy to assemble all this kind of stuff, and I prepared a video for you guys as well. It came in a very big box.
You're struggling.
Yeah,
It's
just to
heavy.
give you some information, you can actually choose among 100 different sizes.
100?
Yeah, this wouldn't fit in my
Wow.
room. I would order a little smaller product.
So it's like a customizable?
Yeah, basically. And there you have some attachments over there. It's like small little cabinets or hangers or whatever you call them.
I think what's cool about this is you have a lot of different places you could use it. It could be in your home, but I feel like I'm imagining like an art teacher.
Yeah. Yeah, you can put
sure.
stationery on there. You can put accessories on
The
it.
paintbrushes here, the paint.
If you look at the manual, actually, they actually hang plants too.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah. It's there's some plants interior.
Right. And
Like
also,
wall hanging.
a lot of people use it in their kitchens.
Cool.
Yeah.
Studio would be really nice too. You could,
Yeah.
have a lot of like studio equipment here as
Right.
well.
Like
And
cameras.
even in the office, I think it's really good.
Right.
I do like it. It's clean. It's very simple design. I'm a fan of it, I gotta say.
So you can actually DIY, do it yourself, your own interior by using these various accessories. There's actually 30 kinds of accessories you can get. So, and not only this, so it's really customizable.
Well, I think that's great too because it's something that's sturdy. It can last a lifetime, but you can always change its purpose as well.
Yeah.
Moving in different parts of the room. If you move houses, I think there's definitely a lot of different ways that you can use this product.
So I think anyone can enjoy this product. It's really pretty. Actually, I really love this color. And maybe I can give as a present to my mom or dad and teacher and like our core workers.
Yeah, in the office, in the kitchen, anywhere.
Kids could use it too. I think this definitely has a lot of potential.
Yeah.
Okay, so that was it. We reviewed a lot of products today. These are all the products we looked at. And did you enjoy the experience, Alex?
I did. I loved being able to see these products that were made in Korea, designed in Korea, have a little bit of a Korean element to it. And I had some fun, in my mind thinking about how I could spruce up my own home as well.
Oh.
Right, so I have a question for you. If you were to bring one product from here to your hometown, what would it be?
Okay, so my brother and
From
my sister just moved into a new home.
Oh.
And I want them to have a little bit of that Korean culture in their home. So I'd have to go with the Hidoji lamps.
Oh,
Pegboard.
yeah,
Okay.
absolutely.
I was
They
kind
would
of
love it.
expecting that. Yeah.
I think they'd love it. I think they'd love it.
Yeah, you loved it a lot on the show today.
Well, if you want to have your own products in your home, spruce up your home a bit, you can go down to the description. There are links below. Or if you're a buyer, if you're an importer and you'd like to get a little more information, again, in the description below. Also, we'd like to give a special thanks to Trade Korea for giving us these products to check out, to unbox. Without them, this would have been possible. So thank you. And thank you for watching. My name is Alex.
Bella.
David.
Thank you for watching us. Bye.